Welcome back to Beautyistic, lovely souls. Today, we're exploring a product that promises to redefine brow perfection, the Jane Iredale PureBrow Shaping Pencil. It's a retractable pencil with a built-in spoolie designed to outline, shape, fill, and fluff your brows, all with a water-resistant and smudge-proof formula. Available in medium brown, it's marketed as hypoallergenic and cruelty-free, appealing to those of us who care about both results and conscience. From first glance, the pencil feels lightweight and sturdy in the hand. The retractable tip is smooth, yet firm enough to create precise strokes without tugging at delicate brow hairs. The spoolie at the other end is dense and soft, ideal for blending and fluffing brows into a natural shape. The medium brown shade blends seamlessly with my hair color, giving a subtle, realistic finish rather than that harsh, drawn-on look some pencils can give. I incorporated this into my daily routine over a week, testing it both during my morning makeup and through a full day out. Application is straightforward. The pencil glides easily, allowing for both fine hair-like strokes and fuller fills where needed. The spoolie helps diffuse any harsh lines, creating a soft, natural arch. The water-resistant formula held up impressively through a morning jog and even light rain, without smudging or fading, which is a major plus for busy days. The strengths here are clear: precision, ease of use, natural finish, and impressive staying power. The hypoallergenic formula is gentle, making it suitable even for sensitive skin around the eye area. On the downside, I noticed that the pencil requires occasional sharpening of the tip with careful twists, and the retractable mechanism can feel slightly stiff at first, though it loosens with regular use. In terms of value, the Jane Iredale PureBrow Pencil sits in the mid to high price range for brow products. Considering the quality of the pigment, the longevity of wear, and the added spoolie convenience, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about brow shaping. If you're looking for a comparable alternative at a lower price point, there are good drugstore pencils that perform decently, but they often lack the water-resistant, smudge-proof finish and the luxurious feel of this one. Comparing it to similar high-end pencils, PureBrow holds its own thanks to the smooth application, natural finish, and durable formula. Build quality is excellent, the packaging feels premium, and the retractable design plus spoolie makes it travel-friendly and hygienic. While I haven't needed to contact customer service personally, Jane Iredale has a strong reputation for responsive support and high-quality products, which is reassuring. To sum it up, the Jane Iredale PureBrow Shaping Pencil delivers on its promise. It's precise, long-lasting, and creates a natural brow look effortlessly. If you value a hypoallergenic, cruelty-free product that performs well under various conditions, this pencil is a worthy addition to your makeup arsenal. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, you can find the link to purchase the product in the comments or description box below. If you've tried the PureBrow pencil, drop a comment and share your experience. I love hearing your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.